Hello, welcome to Scamander Travels, and welcome back to step-by-step process of becoming a United Kingdom registered nurse, part 2. So you need to write a computer-based test exam as well, which is called CBT. So you book CBT, you can pay CBT is roughly £83. You write the CBT and you can buy a voucher for it online. Step 11 and 12, you will get a voucher code within 24 to 48 hours, which you can input when you get to the payment stage of your CBT booking on the person's website. So the next step is you fill the final form by Nursing and Midwifery Council UK, which is NMC, which includes an upload of name of the medical regulator, police, which is police clearance, notification of results or your certificates, and the English test exam. Without this, you cannot progress beyond this stage, and you must have the expected bands, among others. So step 13, you need to pay the final registration fee of £153 to Nursing and Midwifery Council UK. This is needed so that you can get your PIN and also fully registered and be eligible to practice in the UK. Tips I want you to know: you have to get a good standing done by Nigerian Nursing and Midwifery Council, Nigerian letter of good standing. You don't need to pay for this. So the first payment you made covers everything, which is the 17,500, covers all. So step 14, in summary, after you must have registered with Nursing and Midwifery Council UK,